morning, students. Today we're going to discuss about the chapter physical intelligence. What is physical intelligence? Sometimes our body is signaling us something, is it? So to know or to learn those signals and responding wisely with that signals is known as physical intelligence. What our body, what what actually our body wants from us, that is known as physical intelligence. And to maintain that healthy body, we must maintain some balance. What we should maintain a balanced diet, eating habit. We should balance work and exercise for that, manage the stress effectively, and lead a disciplined life. So to maintain a healthy body, what are the things we should maintain? Okay, to maintain a healthy body, what we should what we should maintain? We should maintain what we should maintain: balanced diet, balanced work and exercise, okay. Then discipline, lead a disciplined life. More points are there. Disciplined life, okay. Disciplined life. So these are the things we should maintain. Okay, so first question from here: what is physical intelligence? What is physical intelligence? That will come to know what is physical intelligence. That question will prepare first. What is physical intelligence? Then we'll prepare to maintain a healthy body. What are the balanced thing or diet we should maintain? So these are the point: balanced diet, balanced work and exercises, lead a disciplined life, and maintain the stress effectively. We have to maintain our stress. Should be effectively we have to maintain. And stress is a part of everyone's life. Everywhere we are having stress. You are also having stress. We are also having stress. So it is okay that we are having stress, but some things are there which can control our stress. Okay, what are those? These stress actually cause many things, many physical mental problem we are getting because of the stress. What are those? For that problem, stress and all, we get the health problems like headache, backache, depression, insomnia, forgetting and sleeplessness. These are the cause we are actually because of the stress we are having this type of causes in our body and all. Is it insomnia, sleeplessness and all? So here some tips are given that how we can get rid of the stress or how we can control our stress. What is that? First, eat wisely, avoid eating the junk foods and fried food. These are the first step to get rid from the stress. What is that? Eat wisely, avoid eating junk food and all. Exercise regularly, cycling, swimming, all those things, exercises actually can reduce our stress. We should take rest. Rest should be enough. If we can take rest properly, that means our stress can be reduced. We should maintain a balanced life. Everything should be balanced. Do not get swayed by external factors. Problems will occur. That doesn't mean we will get always stress only. Okay, so it should be balanced life. Then we have to follow a healthy routine. Everything. We should not study till hours late night and we'll sleep at up to 9 or 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It's a very wrong way. That night I will whole night I'll read and morning I'll sleep. This is a very bad. So we should maintain that routine. Okay, early to bed, early to rise and all that. talk to the right kind of people, those people who can give you the positive things. You should around with them only. After long hours of study, you should recreate yourself by talking with your parents, by listening music, by playing some games, or watching some favorite television program. These are the recreation you should do after study, long study. Set reasonable goals for yourself. What you can do in life, goal should be proper and adequate. That should be fixed. Be surrounded by positive people, as I said it before. Share your problems with the parents and teachers. That you should. If you will share your problems, your stress will reduce automatically. Because to whom you will share, like your parents or teachers, they will give you the right way how to reduce the stress and all. Is it? So you should talk to your parents and your teachers about this. Meditate and concentrate on your goals. Always you should be concentrated on what you are doing, what you want to do in life. Do not compare yourself with others. Remember, you are unique, so respect yourself and you respect others. If you compare yourself to the first boy or girl who is actually getting the top rank, that means you are always thinking something which is not possible for you. So whatever you are, you be just like that. You are unique. Don't compare yourself to others. That he is so good, she is so good, I want to be like her, I want to be like him. It is very bad. Don't compare yourself with others. What you are, just be like that. Because you have to keep it in mind that you are unique one. Is it? So if you do like that, your stress automatically will reduce. So these are the some tips you have to follow to reduce your stress. So what are the disease here mentioned to because of the stress we are having? That can you have to means you have to prepare one question, and another one, what are some tips, or write down some tips to reduce how we can reduce our stress. So these are only that. Okay, so stress, don't take stress about this chapter. Okay, you know that how to reduce this stress. Just go through the chapter wisely, properly, and whatever question I said to prepare, just focus on that. The tips by your own you can write to how you can reduce your stress. These points will help you. And what is physical intelligence? How you can maintain a physical intelligence or a healthy body. So these 3-4 questions you'll prepare from this chapter. Okay, so just go through. If any doubt you'll get from this chapter, ask me in 10. Clear? Till that, just revise the chapter. Thank you, class.